What does it take to create a masterpiece? Dedication, unparalleled skill, and the right tools to fully realize your artistic vision. 3M Dynoc architectural finishes are conformable, durable surface finish films that transform existing walls, ceilings, doors, and furniture fixtures. Introducing the new 2024 designs featuring more colors and patterns, including our E-Series RC recycled content film. To create this series, we turned to nature. 250,000 tons of scallop shells are processed annually in Japan. That's roughly the weight of 100,000 cargo containers. Using advanced technology, our experts repurpose the scallop shell powder and combine it with recycled polyester. The result? Stunning earth tones, bringing inspiration from the sea to your walls. Dynoc architectural finishes allow you to capture the world's beauty and breathe new life into spaces, almost overnight. Create a resilient, comfortable atmosphere, a sophisticated ambiance, or a luxurious aesthetic in less time with fewer disruptions. Unleash your imagination and design without boundaries or limits. Your next masterpiece is waiting.